So guys, I'm going to take another look at Bitcoin. And I have a few segments to this video that I want to discuss. So right, we're here. The market works in 3 moves, okay? Got 1, 2, I'm looking for number 3. Yeah? You got 1, 2, 3 pushes to the low. Okay, and this is the same shit on all the time frames. It works in 3. So let's look. Let's go back. I'll demonstrate it. Look. 1, 2, 3 pushes to the low, rise. 1, 2, 3 pushes to the high, drop. 1, 2, 3 pushes to the low, rise. 1, 2, 3 pushes to the high, drop. 1, 2, 3 pushes to the low. Okay? So I hope you understand it works in 3. Now it could come down for another push to the low, and even bigger push to the low, but right now on the smaller time frames, that's not what's probably going to happen. It could, don't get me wrong. Now, this is my next point. I'm on YouTube to try and get the word out to other retail traders to stop believing the shit that everyone's fed. So what everyone's fed is this. Oh, Fibonacci. Oh, what does Fibonacci say? Oh, Fibonacci says this, that. No, it's a lie. They have a structure and they use it to take money from you. What, people draw trend lines like this? Why is that not working? Oh, that's resistance. That's support. Yeah, let's fucking draw a triangle. Fucking. Oh, this is a bullish triangle. I'm gonna go along. It's all shit to make you lose money. Okay, now this is the next point. Trading is not risk free. If you come to YouTube or a different social media platform and try to look to make money, and that's all you think that can happen, you're wrong. Because 80% of traders lose money. Yeah? So if Bitcoin does what I think it's gonna do, yeah, at the top, and just remember, only 20% of people see an actual profit. Everyone else sees a paper profit, or they do something stupid and don't see a paper profit. And if it does go to where I think it's gonna, everyone's gonna see a paper profit. That's what happens. And only 20% of people are gonna take it. So you have to realise that the markets aren't guaranteed. Just because I say something doesn't mean it's gonna work. Just because a different YouTuber says something doesn't mean it's gonna work. The market doesn't give a shit about you, and it wants to take money off you. Okay? Don't go along because someone tells you to go along. Don't go short because someone tells you to. You do what you want to do. And that's the beautiful thing about trading. It's you. It's just you versus you. There's no discrimination. There's none of this bullshit. It's just what you think and what you do. Right, so let's have a look at Bitcoin today. So, I've been banging on about this pattern. Right? Now, this is happening on the smaller time frames and on the larger time frames. This is a forex pattern. This shit happens daily in forex. Let's get fucking dollar yen up. Let's just get a simple template on. Okay. I'm gonna have to get that in full screen. Right. Look at this. It's been playing it out in dollar yen almost perfectly. Now I know people can't see what I'm seeing because my chart vision's different to yours, but if you look, trap volume, rise, drop, stop hunt, rise, range, go up, stop hunt, range, go up, stop hunt, go up. It's not going to do this to the T, but it'll do it almost identically because human psychology doesn't change. And what you're seeing here isn't, oh, dollar yen's bullish, this, that, and other. No. This is human psychology dictating the price of it. That's all it is. And human psychology doesn't change. They don't change the pattern. It's the same shit all the time, right? So, I went off a tangent. Bitcoin, right? We're here in the pattern. We're right here in the pattern. It's there. It did its stop hunt and it's there. Now, Bitcoin isn't. All they have is different stop hunts. Look, right there. There were a different stop hunt there. There were a different stop hunt there. There've been different stop hunts all the way here. That's all they have. And I'm looking at dot because it's the nicer pair, quite frankly. And it's almost doing this to a T. 15-minute chart. It's a beautiful chart. So look, trap volume, spike up and down, rise, spike up and down, range out, trap the volume, rise up and down, rise, range out, stop hunt, rise, rise. Now you notice how I'm saying it in a boring manner, yeah? 'Cause once you see this shit over and over again, it gets quite fucking boring. Imagine seeing that for 8 months. That's what it is. Imagine staring at. Imagine being a 10-year plus trader, looking at the same shit for 10 years. It gets boring. But whether if you're a trader, you've got to have full blown passion for it, and that's what I have. I fucking love it. You know what I mean? You got to dedicate your life to this shit if you want to be a trader. So right, off topic again. Right, we're here. We're here. Okay. Just went down, went down, went down, went down. So keep stop hunting down. Keep stop hunting down. Big stop hunt. Hit the vectors. Start a New York session. Trick everybody in New York to go short. This is New York Open. This little box here. They dropped it in New York. Rise. Look, spiked it high in New York. Drop. The start of the New York session is normally the false move for the session because everyone comes in. They want to get in a position. They want to make some money. What they see it dropping. Let's go short. Yeah, track the volume. Let's look at the book map. Right? Look where they get all the selling. Down here, down here, down here. Now I can't bring it any further back, but they got a shit ton of selling here as well. And I have a video on it when we were down here, like 3 days ago when we were down here. The amount of volume trapped down there is fucking disgusting. And it wasn't done on purpose, it was done to take your money. Everyone were committing to short down here and then they spiked it. Now, what I'm expecting for it to do now DOT represents Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything. They all follow suit. They're all either lagging behind each other by a bit or they all follow each other. So, I'm expecting it to range out at the end of the session. Now, market shut in 4.5 hours, yeah? And we're around here. I want to see it come up here and make a trap move for the weekend. Meaning, all the exchanges shut here, so all the big money, like on the stock market, on all the exchanges, it's closed. You can't trade it. Price will stop trading, and then we might get this over the weekend. All the retail traders will get committed to the long. Then big stop all the retail traders out and move. That's what I'm expecting right now. But like I said, I might be wrong. It might not happen. This pattern could break down right now and go to fucking dot could go to 5. Who fucking knows? But if I'm reading this correctly, I don't think it's gonna. But like I said, don't take my word for it. You got to make a decision on your end. Now, ETH, this is a beautiful chart. Fuck me. Now, out of 10, Bitcoin's a 7. You know what I mean? It's like a meh. Dot's a straight up 9, 10. And then, in fact, Dot's a straight up 10 for me because it's doing the pattern perfectly. Now, ETH has just got so much buying pressure. It's disgusting. Whenever it drops below 2,500, it just gets nabbed up. Like, look, that's ETH. That's dot now. See the difference? ETH's a straight up 10 as well. But Bitcoin at the minute is a 7. I want to see Bitcoin play its pattern out. It's too spiky, and the reason I think it's doing that is because all the big smart traders aren't trading Ethereum. They're not trading all these shit altcoins that too volatile, too easy to move. The market cap, it's too easy to move it. All the big and smart people are in Bitcoin, trading Bitcoin, so they don't want to make it too obvious for them, because they don't want people to get comfortable with building long positions down here. And I'll get into that Now, on the higher time frame, remember that pattern we were just looking at? It's happening on the higher time frame as well. Look, trap variation on the theme. It ain't gonna do it the exact same, people. Okay. Trap the volume, spike up, spike down, spike up, spike down. Trap the volume, spike up, spike down, spike up, spike down. We're there. And let's have a look at sugar, because sugar is essentially in front of Bitcoin a bit. Now you'll see what I mean. Let's go up 4-hour chart. All commodities are on the rise, guys, which means investors are seeking risk because they think inflation is going up. So they want their assets to go up. So they put their money in assets to see a profit. Now, sugar. Right, this is sugar. I've banged on about this before. Look, so essentially, Bitcoin is there right now. If it were to do what sugar did, Bitcoin is there. Yeah, see it right there. We'll go over Y. Trap volume, rise, drop, rise, drop, rise, drop, push up. Trap volume, rise, drop, rise, drop, rise, drop, push up. It's the same shit. Commodities, this is happening. This is a forex pattern mainly, but it happens in commodities, it happens in stocks, it happens in crypto, it happens in every market because human psychology doesn't change. Now, the reason why they want to get out this zone is because they've trapped enough people. They've got everybody to commit to the short side, and that's how it works. This book map. And I'll tell you, you have to go and watch the video. They were the biggest fucking bubble. Like, imagine that bubble, but imagine it just doing that. The volume was all trapped. So yeah, that's Bitcoin today, and what I think is going to happen. Like I said, could be wrong. That's what you got to accept as a trader. Could be wrong. You could not be wrong. We'll just have to wait and see, won't we? Now, over the weekend, if you see a profit on a long position, I urge you to take it because, like I said, I'm expecting a trap move to happen at the end of this session, which is in 4 hours. So we'll just have to see. I'm going to come back to the chart in 4 hours, and I'm going to do probably a TikTok on it because it'll not be worth doing a YouTube video on. Because it'll just be like a 30-second thing checking in on it. So yeah, everyone have a good day and stay safe trading. Don't over leverage. Don't over position. Right.